Welcome to this presentation on the else rule for decision tables. In this video, we will see how the else rule is used as an exception handler, a rule for anything not covered by the other rules. First of all, we will look at some general instructions about the else rule. Only the first condition line has the word else on it, and as the last rule of the decision table. This is the rule furthest to the right. Only dashes are allowed in the condition entries. And finally, the else rule is only processed if no other rule in the table can be satisfied. Let's look at an example. The decision table order has an explicitly stated else rule. It follows the instructions on the previous slide. Only dashes in the condition entries, the last rule in the table, and else on the first condition line. The else rule is used to accept a customer's order. Only where the customer has exceeded their credit limit and they don't have special clearance will we reject the order. If you fail to define an else rule, then there is an implied else rule. In our example, if tax code is 1 or 2, we will call another decision table to calculate tax. But for any other tax code, we are using the implied else ignore. All decision tables, if they do not have an explicit else rule, will have the implied else ignore outlined in red, and this is added automatically. The ignore is equivalent to exiting false from the table. In this example, we have explicitly written the else ignore rule. It is always best to define your own else rule. The more complex a decision table, the more likely the else rule will be used for combinations of conditions you won't have thought about. The decision table ATM cash dispenser has an explicitly stated else rule. If the PIN is correct, one of the 3 stated rules is actioned. Only if an incorrect PIN is found does the else rule happen and be actioned. I hope you have found this video useful. More videos like this are available at rapidgen.com/videos. Please let us know if you have any questions about the else rule in decision tables, or if we can help. Send us an email at info@rapidgen.com or use the options below to leave a message. Thank you for watching.